I'm Anaya. Welcome to Unwire. Today I'm starting something new that I'm really excited about. I was inspired by those mystery science. I was inspired by mystery science. You know how mystery science answers all those cool questions? I loved it. And when my teachers used to play at snack time, it was awesome. It was so much fun learning and discovering answers. But today I'm going to answer your questions just like that. You can comment your questions and I'll answer them in the upcoming videos, probably one every 2 days. Yeah, right? But first, I have a super crazy question that I thought of for today's video, which is what would happen if gravity just disappeared for 10 seconds? Let's explore it together. Before we start, I just want to say sorry to Mystery Science because if it feels like I copied them, uh, I was inspired by their fun questions and experiments, but this video and the gravity experiments are my own ideas, my own imagination, and my own way of exploring science. I just wanted to give a quick apology so everyone knows this is my original experiment. Okay, first, everything around us. Let's discuss it about that. So, even through your pencil to a tree outside, everything around us would start floating. Your pencil, your water bottle, even trees outside. Small things would fly everywhere like crazy. Imagine grabbing and trying to grab your pencil and it's just floating in midair. Crazy, right? Humans would float too. Some might spin in the air, bump into walls, or float into each other. Our brains, your brain or my brain or our brains would freak out trying to balance, and when the gravity comes back, boom! Everything falls down. Dangerous, right? Quick thought. How would you move if you're floating? Would you push off the floor or the wall or ceiling? I think I would push off the wall or the ceiling or the floor. I don't know. Okay, gravity holds our atmosphere close. Without it, the air would start spreading out. That means breathing becomes harder, as if you're having a cold. Strong winds might form instantly, kind of like mini hurricanes. Imagine standing outside and air is moving in all directions, dust and water are floating. Wow, gravity is really important. So, okay, now what about the nature's chaos? Trees, rivers, lakes, chaos everywhere. Animals, trees might uproot. Rivers float, water droplets everywhere. Birds won't need to fly, they would just float. Fish out of water, floating. Bugs, tiny weightless bugs everywhere, even bed bugs that are gonna bite you, even bees. Many challenges. Okay, pick one animal and imagine how it would survive or not survive in zero gravity for 10 seconds. And I'll give you about 10 seconds. And then if you need more time, then you can just pause the video, okay? Okay, yeah. Okay, time's up. If you need more time, you can just pause the video right now because I'm not gonna start till 5 seconds. Okay, I'll start. Because I don't think any of you need time to think. Yeah. So, okay. Now humans, seriously, we rely on gravity more than we think. Blood, lungs, digestions, all partly depend on it. Floating in zero gravity for 10 seconds would confuse our bodies, and when gravity comes back, people and objects would fall and cause serious injuries. Even 10 seconds is serious, very serious. So, why does this happen? Gravity is invisible, but it literally holds everything together. Plants, air, water, And us, humans, of course. We usually don't notice it until we imagine losing it. Many thought, what else do you take for granted that you wouldn't notice unless it disappeared? Electricity, oxygen, water. Gravity is just one of those invisible powers. I think I take electricity for granted because I watch TV and I want to make videos on YouTube. That's why I watch Mystery Science a lot. And I think I take like gravity for not gravity, electricity for granted, and I won't notice it that I took it for granted until it disappeared. Because one time they were changing the electric meters and suddenly the TV turned off and I was like, what the? And then it just took 1 second for them to change it, and then it came back after 1 second. I was like, what just happened? And then my dad told me all about it. So yeah. Okay. Before we finish, I want to say sorry to Mr. Science again. If it seems like I copied them, I just want to know, like everyone to know, that I'm creating my own experiments and exploring science in my own way. Now it's your turn. Which question would you like me to explore next? Post your questions in the comments and I'll select one to answer in a future video. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can see more experiments on Unwire. Thanks for watching, and that's the story.